Do you want to learn how to grow your own vegetables easily from home? I've got a few tips coming up. So whether you're starting flowers for your flower garden or veggies for your veggie patch, everything is pretty much the same. The first thing you want to do is decide what you're going to grow. And then you go and order your seeds online, or you go and pick them up at your local hardware store or greenhouse. I try to keep all of my seeds organized in some sort of filing system. You can get seed organizer kits online. I'll reference some information in the description box below. Or you can make something yourself. I basically took a box and some like file folders that I ripped in half. And then the way that I sorted these was earliest starting seeds to latest starting seeds, so that I know, okay, in February I gotta start these things from seed, in March, April, and direct in the ground, etc. Okay? So once you have your seeds and you've organized them, then you can go ahead and start planting some things indoors. So the first thing that you need for this is you're gonna need a tray, obviously, that your containers can sit in. This is gonna prevent water from draining out of the bottom of the containers and going all over the place. And then what I also like to use is these mesh trays that fit neatly inside of this tray. And what this does is, say I water my plants really well, the water drains into this bottom tray, and I can easily pull these out and drain off any excess water out of this bottom tray. Okay, so you're gonna have your mesh tray and then your solid tray, and then you need containers. So you can get a whole bunch of these and put them all in there like that. And then you're going to need soil. So this is a big, huge bag of organic potting soil that I picked up. And you can, again, buy these online or at your hardware store or greenhouse. And then what I usually do is mix in some worm castings. This is basically worm poop, and it acts as a fertilizer. So I picked up this 5-gallon bucket, which you can get at a hardware store for just a couple dollars, or order it online. And I put some of the potting soil in the bucket, and then I add a little bit of the fertilizer, mix it up really well, and then you can put it into these containers. Now, once you've got your soil in the containers, you will dig like little holes, put your seeds in there, cover them up, water them, and then you can get these little labels, so you can label each one of the trays as to which seeds you've planted in there. And once you've got that all done, then you're gonna cover it with a dome, because seeds need heat and humidity in order to germinate. So I get these domes, and you can get them in different sizes. So I get a shorter dome to start off with, and then once my plants start to grow, I would swap it out for a taller dome, so that they have room in there. And eventually you can remove the dome altogether. So I have a couple different sizes of domes that I use. Okay, so that's basically all you need to get started. I'll let you guys go out and collect those supplies and pick your seeds, and then just stay up to date with the channel, and I'll give you guys more feedback on how you can start growing things yourselves organically, easily from home. Thanks for joining me, and have a fantastic day.